Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here, and in this tutorial we're going to run you through some quick navigation tips to help you get more out of your Scholarcy library. We're going to start with the libraries themselves, so you can see that I've got two here called My Library and Demo Library. If I want to add to this, I can simply click on Create Library and it makes a new blank one for me to rename. Once I'm done, I can click on the tick here to confirm it. Now it's been made. We can reorder the libraries by clicking on the Reorder Libraries button at the top. Do that, click and drag, then click Save Changes to confirm. The reason you'll want to do this is if you use the Chrome extension to save papers to your library, they'll always go to the very top library in your collection. You can see there's a couple of numbers with some icons next to them. This will show you how many folders and how many papers you have saved. So my new one has 0 of each, but my normal library has 1 folder and then 234 papers saved in it. Let's take a look at how that looks. You can see here that I've got a list of flashcards that appear in the main library, and I've also got an RSS feed that opens up with many more papers. There's lots of different pages showing them all. I can use these buttons to reorganise and sort all of the papers however I'd like to, just like that. If I click back on My Library, it takes me to the home page again, and I can use the search bar here to find a particular flashcard or even notes within a flashcard. If I search for Queen, we can click onto this paper and see that under the notes section we've got the keyword Queen here. Let's go back to My Library. On the left hand panel we've got the button for My Library, but we've also got Shared Libraries here. This is where you can go to find any libraries that have been shared with you by another user. And you can also view if you've shared any of your libraries with others, which you can see here that I've not done that yet, but I might do in the future. If you'd like to share a library, you can click on the Share button, type in their email, choose if you want to give them editing rights or not, and then click Share, and it'll go to their inbox. We can also view any deleted flashcards if you have any. You can click on Restore here if you'd like to add them back. These were duplicate ones that I'd added, so I removed them from my library to avoid confusion. You can favourite flashcards, and they'll appear here. You've also got the recently viewed flashcards. I'm going to click on this flashcard and show you how to favourite it. It's very simple. We simply can go up onto the heart up here, adds to favourites, and we can go back over, and there we have it, right down here. You've seen the settings before. If you'd like to have a recap on the tutorial videos, I'll pop them in the description box down below. And you've also got your profile page where you can go and check that your account details are up to date. And finally, down the bottom under the Help Centre, we've got the Help Centre and Support. If you click on either of these, they'll open up into a new tab just like this. I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching.